What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare a thesis defense using Claude AI assistant. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. So first thing, there are some things that you need to study before you have to actually use the Claude AI. So that is extracting an outline. Ask the AI to condense your core arguments, methodology, and conclusions in a 20-minute presentation script, and then ask it to simplify the jargon, have it rewrite your most complex technical sections in plain language so your delivery remains clear to the committee members outside your direct niche. Add create transitions. Ask the AI to write smooth verbal transition between your chapters so your presentation flows naturally from one slide to the another. These are some of the things which will help you out with that. And eventually in the video, I will tell you guys which prompt you guys need to use in order to do it. For example, if you are anticipating the committee questions, you need to do these following. If you're running a mock defense, you need to do these following. And as per the the prompts, I have made these ones. So act as a critical academic reviewer, read my methodology chapters and list three major critiques you would raise during a defense. Also that condense my conclusion chapters into three clear presentation slides, and I will paste my result section, ask me a difficult question about my data interpretation. So these are the ways to get started with your preparation of thesis, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.